Hi everyone, I am Sumit Asthana. In this video, I am going to present our work on automatically labeling low quality content on Wikipedia by leveraging patterns in editing behavior as part of CSCW 2021. Wikipedia aims to be an encyclopedia of high quality with well-written, grammatically correct and neutral articles. To quantify article quality, Wikipedia editors came up with a 6-point quality scale ranging from the most basic stub articles to the most comprehensive feature articles on Wikipedia. This graph shows the distribution of their assessment of about 95% articles on English Wikipedia on this 6-point quality scale. While all stub articles may not be important, a lot of articles in the Start, C and B class do not get a chance to go to GA and FA status. The problem is that there are too few editors to monitor, assess, improve and promote these articles. Machine learning approaches have shown promise by successfully detecting some quality issues like whether a Wikipedia sentence needs a citation or not, or whether an edit is a vandalism edit. These approaches start with obtaining positive and negative examples for the task, either from crowdsourcing or featured Wikipedia articles. This is followed by training and testing the classifier with this label data and further validation by Wikipedia editors. And finally, the model is deployed to Wikipedia to help editors improve articles. However, their current limitation is obtaining good quality label data for article improvement tasks. This is because identifying sentence quality issues such as sentences that require citations, clarifications, or fixing neutrality requires labels at the sentence level. It turns out that Wikipedia editors rarely manually flag such outstanding sentence quality issues as part of their editing, and crowdsourcing could produce noisy labels because crowd workers may lack knowledge about Wikipedia policies on content quality. To address this problem of good quality labels, we present a labeling approach that leverages implicit editing behavior to automatically label the quality of Wikipedia sentences. Our approach allows us to learn from any kind of non-reverted Wikipedia edit. We first use regular expressions to label the semantic intent of non-reverted Wikipedia edits, such as adding a citation or fixing grammar. Using these semantic intent labeled edits, we obtain positive examples of sentence quality improvement, such as sentences in edits where citations were added or where grammar was fixed. We obtain corresponding negative examples of sentence quality improvement from highest quality featured Wikipedia articles based on insights from existing work, which suggests that featured articles are the ones that don't need further improvement. We combine these two to create a training and testing data, which we use in the machine learning pipeline that I just described. Consider this Wikipedia sentence. Our modeling approach allows us to build models that can answer questions like, does it need fact updates? Does it have a point of view? Does it need clarifications? Does it need to be simplified? The basic idea behind our approach is that most Wikipedia edits are performed with a specific intention or a set of intentions in mind, such as adding a citation, removing bias, or clarifying content. And sentences modified in Wikipedia edits can be used as positive examples of sentence improvement. To demonstrate our approach, we build an end-to-end pipeline for identifying sentences on Wikipedia that need citations, point of view, or clarification edits. To identify the semantic intent of the edit, first, we test the edit against regular expressions on three parts of the edit comment, the sentences before the edit, and the sentences after the edit in the modified paragraph. If all the regular expressions match for the given intent, we assign that specific intent to the edit. For example, we match on the inserted portion of the edit against the ref tag, and if a match is found, we assign the intent citation to the edit. In addition to looking for the ref tag for citations, we also make sure that we exclude additional artifacts like templates, wiki links, info boxes, and multi-lines in both inserted and removed portions of the edit so as to eliminate as much noise as possible. For other categories like point of view and clarifications, we follow a similar approach of finding a set of regular expressions that most specifically define that category. Once we know the semantic intent of the edit, we assign a quality label to the sentence that was edited, indicating that it needed that semantic intent edit. For example, needs citation in this case. Thus, the intent of the edit implicitly allows us to make claims about the quality of the sentence in an article, which would otherwise have required a human to assess and label. To evaluate our edit intent labeling, we recruited 10 Wikipedia editors and asked them to assign semantic intent edit labels to 450 Wikipedia edits. We compared the ground truth labels by Wikipedia editors to the predictions of our regular expressions to compute precision and recall, which you see on the y-axis, for the three different categories: citations, point of view, and clarifications on the x-axis. The precision of our rules is high, which means that a high percentage of the examples marked as positive are correct. This is important because we are trying to get as many examples of Wikipedia sentences that need improvement, but without introducing too many false positives. You can also see that the recall is low, which means that we did not catch a lot of positive examples of the total annotated as positive for each category. This is fine because as long as we have enough clean positive examples, we are going to be able to train our models effectively. We further investigated the low recall and found that editors had considerable disagreements in their labels. They had variable interpretations of the semantic category definitions, such as whether date modifications in citations should be considered citations or not, and also the underlying content was subject to multiple interpretations, especially with regards to neutrality. Now, evaluating sentence quality labels manually on a large scale is a challenging task. Thus, to evaluate the effectiveness of these labels, we evaluate the effectiveness of sequence-based RNN models trained on these labels. We trained two RNN models with the same architecture. One model is trained on our labeling approach, and one model is trained on the previous labeling approach, which is based on either crowdsourcing or featured articles. We test these two models on two test datasets, one obtained from our own labeling approach and one obtained from one of the previous labeling approaches, and then we compare the corresponding predictions. We repeat this evaluation for the task of citations, that is, given a Wikipedia sentence, identify whether it needs a citation or not, and point of view, that is, given a Wikipedia sentence, identify whether it needs a neutral point of view edit or not. We present numbers for clarifications in the paper on just our dataset because no previous work has attempted this. For the citations task, the model trained on our labeling approach yielded an average of 18% gain in F1 score over the competing model. And for the neutral point of view task, the model trained on our labeling approach yielded an average of 12% gain in F1 score over the competing model. Now moving on to implications of learning from Wikipedia editing behaviors. Our data labeling approach is fast because it does not depend on human annotations, rather the activity of Wikipedia editors, which is ongoing since about 20 years. Our approach is also flexible to change because Wikipedia editors can inform changes to regular expressions based on their domain knowledge about the edits. The approach does not use any language-specific model, only regular expressions which can be informed in other language editions, making it language independent. Our method automatically extracts sentence quality labels from Wikipedia editor behaviors that capture how editors interpret and enact current policies and guidelines. For example, addressing point of view according to the neutral point of view policy, or adding citations according to citation guidelines. Thus, these models can act as technical representations of Wikipedia written policies that can help editors enforce norms on Wikipedia. Further, they can also act as supporting resources for the written norms themselves. For example, applying predictions of the neutral point of view model on Wikipedia article sentences can help understand the application of policy in practice. Our work shows that Wikipedia content policies can be coded into programmatic rules to identify the semantic intent of Wikipedia edits, which can then be used to detect sentence quality issues at scale. Future work can directly leverage our proposed method to build new sentence quality identification pipelines. Also, this has the potential to accelerate the quality improvement of articles on various languages, especially beyond English, which do not get as much editors as English Wikipedia. This marks the end of my presentation. Thanks for watching this video and please refer to our paper for more information.